For the rest of the semester, you will work on a 3-part research project. For your project, you will write about the same topic in 3 different essays. The topic you choose will be referred to as your course topic. Once you choose your course topic, you cannot change it. You will post a journal entry this week choosing your course topic. I will read your journals and make sure your chosen topic works for the project. You may choose any topic you would like. However, you need to follow these requirements. The topic must be controversial. The topic must be debatable, and the topic must be researchable. Your topic must be controversial. There is no point in writing about a topic no one differs on. For example, you'd be hard-pressed to find someone who disagrees that children should not be forced to work in factories. At this point, no one in America reasonably or academically argues that children should work in factories. Therefore, the research topic of "Should children work in factories?" has no academic purpose. It is not a controversial topic. Your topic must also be debatable. There is no point in writing about a topic that would not be debated. For example, does 12 inches make a foot is a topic that cannot be debated. This is a fact that would not be debated in academia. Thus, there is no academic purpose for writing about this topic. It is not a debatable topic. You must also be able to support your claims using academic research. For example, if your topic was, "Is Titanic the best movie of all time?" you cannot support your claim on either side using academic research because it is rooted in opinion. There is no academic purpose in discussing this topic. This topic is not researchable. Once you've chosen your topic, you will not be permitted to change it. Changing your topic would change your writing process, which is the focus of this project. For this reason, you should choose your topic carefully. Pick something that interests you. Pick something you are confident you can find good sources on. You may want to do some preliminary research to see what's out there before you submit your journal this week. Although you will ultimately be writing an argument about your topic, you should choose something that you are comfortable with writing about in an unbiased manner. Your first 2 essays will require you to remain neutral and research all aspects of your chosen topic. Your topic should be framed as a research question, not an argument. The first step of your project process will be to research the topic. You will need to research all aspects or sides of your chosen topic before making an argument later in the project. For example, instead of choosing "Euthanasia should be legalized in America," which makes a clear argument, you would frame your topic as "Should euthanasia be legal in America?" This allows you to explore the larger topic without prematurely narrowing the scope of your research. Before choosing your topic, you should read through all the assignment prompts linked at the bottom of this folder so you know what you will be doing with this project. You should choose a topic that interests you and that you feel you can adequately write about for each assignment. This project consists of 3 formal writing assignments that will reflect a great deal of research. You will conduct research throughout the project. The 3 formal writing assignments are an annotated bibliography and project proposal, more about this later, an issue essay where you will report on your research findings without bias, and a persuasive essay where you will write about your argument about your course topic. Each essay will be informed by your research process. Take some time this week to read through each assignment prompt. The first piece of your project is Essay 2, an annotated bibliography and project proposal. This is where you begin your research process. This essay consists of 2 parts. You will complete an MLA-formatted annotated bibliography to show the research you've conducted thus far. You will present at least 8 sources. Your sources must be credible, academic sources. We'll talk more about this in part 2 of this week's work. At least 3 of your sources must be peer-reviewed. Each source will include an MLA formatted citation and a 200 or more word annotation that explains what your source is, why it is important to your research, what argument the source makes, and why it is incredible. I've included an example of what this looks like at the bottom of this folder for you to review. Your second part is to write a 2-page or more project proposal. This should be on the same document as your annotated bibliography and should answer the questions listed on the assignment prompt. You should follow formal MLA requirements for each piece of this assignment. If you have any questions about the project or about Essay 2, please let me know. If you aren't sure about a course topic, please let me know.